AI built my trading algorithm, but AI does not run it. For whatever reason, there's a huge misunderstanding happening right now of the role of AI in trading. Some people believe that they can simply go to ChatGPT or any other LLM and ask what kind of stock to trade, when to buy, when to sell, and they're going to be sitting, enjoying, relaxing, and seeing how their portfolio is going to grow. This is not going to happen. It's never going to be the case. I would like to disappoint you right away. However, there are areas where in trading where AI shines, where AI takes place, and in this video, I would like to outline all those layers and tell you where AI takes place and where AI doesn't. The first layer of trading is the decision layer. This is where when you brainstorm your strategy ideas, where you identify potential edges, where you design and research your experiment, when you write your actual strategy code, when you build backtests and analyze backtest reports, and when you identify weak spots in your strategy. In those areas, where you need to analyze an enormous amount of data, AI shines. AI is doing all this prediction and analysis better than an entire department, research department. And AI is going to do that much faster. And however, at the final result of that layer, it's going to be the strategy code, which is going to be written in Python, C#, JavaScript, whichever other execution language you're going to prefer. But that's going to be a simple code, which is going to be in charge of executing trades for your strategy. And this code does not involve AI at all. So therefore, AI does not click buy or sell button, AI does not watch the market, and AI does not make any judgment calls whatsoever. Because all that stuff has been done before in the decision layer, where you identified your strategy and identified potential edges. And at the execution layer, you just need to simply the script has need to follow the logic which has been already identified in the decision layer. After execution layer, there is a review layer where you read live logs and the reports and compare those logs from the live and back tests, analyze them, flags where the strategy drifts away, diagnose failures in your strategy, and brainstorm the next iteration of your strategy, and write the next iteration of your code. In this layer, AI takes place as well. Because here, once again, you need to analyze the data, and then you need to make the decision on that data. Over here, you're going to be using AI heavily. AI does the magic job over here. And as you see over here, there are three layers: decision layer, execution layer, and review layer. And it is critical to understand that AI does not involve in the execution layer whatsoever. And please understand this. Execution layer is for code, decision layer is for AI. I hope this video was clarifying some of the questions some of you had and demystifies some of the understanding of the role of AI in trading. And I hope you like the content of my videos. If so, please like it and subscribe to my channel. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye.